Firas was just 4 years old, but he already had a big dream in his little heart. One sunny morning, he sat on his bedroom floor, surrounded by toys, and whispered to his teddy bear, "I want to be number one in school." His teddy bear, Mr. Fluffy, didn't say much, but Firas took his silence as a promise. Firas stood in front of the mirror, wearing his favorite red t-shirt and socks that didn't match. He puffed out his chest and looked himself in the eyes. "I will work hard every single day. I will learn my numbers and my ABCs. I will be the best." He gave himself a little high five in the mirror. At breakfast, Firas was unusually serious. He held a spoon like a pencil and poked at his cereal. "Mama, Baba," he said firmly, "I've decided to be number one in school." Mama smiled warmly. "That's wonderful, Habibi. We'll help you all the way." Baba gave him a thumbs up and added, "Let's start today." Later that day, Mama gave Firas a brand new blue notebook with a rocket on the cover. "This is your study notebook," she said, "for all your big ideas." Firas opened it carefully and, with help, wrote Firas on the first page. The letters were a little crooked, but he grinned with pride. Firas loved numbers. He counted his toy cars, his shoes, even the grapes on his plate. 1, 2, 3, for he said slowly. Every time he reached a new number, his eyes sparkled. "Numbers are like magic," he told Mr. Fluffy. "You can find them everywhere." Learning English was tricky, but fun. Firas sang the ABC song every morning. He pointed to letters on flashcards. A is for apple, B is for ball, C is for cat. Sometimes he made up his own funny words. D is for Dino Dance, he giggled. Each afternoon, Firas had his big boy study time at the kitchen table. Mama brought out colored pencils, books, and soft music. Firas sat up straight, ready to learn. He practiced tracing numbers and letters carefully. When he made a mistake, he didn't cry. He just tried again. One day, Firas got stuck on the number 8. "It looks like a snowman," he said, laughing, "but I can't draw it right." He tried over and over. Some 8s looked like snakes, others like squash balloons. Finally, Mama held his hand gently and guided his pencil. Firas decided to learn one new English word every day. Today's word was cat. He sounded out slowly, "C-ta, cat." Then he drew a big, fluffy cat beside the word. "That's Kitty Cat," he told Baba. "She's reading with me." To help Firas stay excited, Mama made him a colorful superstar chart. It had gold, silver, and blue stars. Every time he studied, he earned one. After a week, the chart sparkled with stars. "Look at all these," Firas said proudly. "I am learning." At preschool, Firas noticed his friend Hannah having trouble counting blocks. "I can help," he said. He showed her how to count slowly, touching each block. 1, 2, 3. When she smiled, Firas felt warm inside. Being number one means helping others too, he thought. One rainy afternoon, Firas couldn't play outside, but he didn't pout. Instead, he sat by the window with his notebook and learned 2 new words, dog and sun. He drew pictures and made a funny sentence. "The sun plays with the dog." Mama laughed and said, "That's creative." At dinner, Baba liked to ask quiz questions. "What's 2 plus 2? He asked, raising an eyebrow. Firas grinned. 4. "And what's the first letter of banana?" "B." Baba clapped. "Bravo, Firas." Firas created his own tiny library in a corner of his room. He stacked picture books, placed a pillow, and added a sign, Firas Library. Every night, he read one book with Mama or Baba. "Books are like doors," he said. "They take you places." The school had a special activity day. Teachers set up fun tests, number puzzles, spelling games, and letter cards. Firas wore his lucky socks and whispered to himself, "I've been practicing. I'm ready." His tummy felt fluttery, but he smiled bravely. Firas wants to be number one. Deep breaths just before his turn. Firas closed his eyes and took 3 big breaths. In through the nose, out through the mouth, Mama had taught him. He imagined Mr. Fluffy cheering from his backpack. "Go, Firas." He stepped forward. It was time to shine. He did it. Firas matched all the numbers, spelled the word sun, dog, and hat, and counted backward from 10. His teacher, Ms. Lena, beamed. "You've done amazing work, Firas." He felt light as a balloon. "I did it." The golden star at the end of the day, Ms. Lena called Firas's name. For being focused, kind, and trying his best every day, today's golden star goes to Firas. Everyone clapped. Firas's cheeks turned pink, and he held his golden sticker high in the air. The celebration that night, Mama made his favorite dinner, macaroni and cheese with smiley face carrots. Baba made a medal out of paper and yarn. It said, #1Firas. They all danced in the living room. Just the beginning that night, Firas cuddled with his teddy bear. "I did it, but tomorrow I'll learn even more." Because Firas knew being number one means always try your best.